Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make gravy Manchurian at home. First, finely chop your favorite vegetables such as cabbage, carrots, and bell peppers. Mix them with all-purpose flour, corn flour, and a dash of ginger garlic paste. Season with salt and pepper, then form small, uniform balls. Deep fry these until they are beautifully golden brown and cooked perfectly. Now, let's move on to the heart of our Manchurian, the rich and flavorful gravy base. Begin by sautéing minced garlic, ginger, and green chilies in a tablespoon of oil until aromatic. Next, add your chopped onions and bell peppers, cooking them until they become slightly tender. Introduce soy sauce, vinegar, and a hint of sugar to create a perfectly balanced flavor profile. Finally, stir in some tomato ketchup or chili sauce for that essential tangy and spicy kick. Achieving the perfect gravy consistency is crucial for an authentic Manchurian experience. To do this, prepare a cornflour slurry by combining 2 tablespoons of corn flour with about 1/4 cup of water. Gradually pour this mixture into your simmering gravy, stirring constantly to ensure a smooth texture without any lumps. Continue cooking for approximately 2 to 3 minutes until the gravy reaches your preferred thickness. Remember to taste and adjust the seasoning with salt, pepper, or a little more soy sauce as needed. We're almost there. For the grand finale, gently introduce your perfectly fried Manchurian balls into the rich, thickened gravy. Allow them to simmer together for about 5 to 7 minutes, ensuring the balls fully absorb all those wonderful flavors. To add a fresh touch and vibrant color, garnish generously with freshly chopped spring onion greens. Your homemade gravy Manchurian is now ready to be served hot, perhaps alongside some fried rice, noodles, or as a delightful appetizer. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.